How to set up shipping on Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will showcase exactly how to set up the shipping aspect on Shopify. So this is going to include the different zones that you can set up and the rates for them. Now in this video, what I'm not going to discuss is the actual rate that you will be setting, because this is going to really depend on you and your business and how much profit you want to be making and the whole calculations of the courier system, shipping rates, and so on. So it really depends from person to person. So to get started, it's very simple. Just log into your Shopify admin, go to the settings tab from the bottom left, and just go and click on shipping and delivery. From here, you simply just want to go to the shipping tab and click on this box right here. Now, by default, you should have two different zones set up for you. The first one is going to be domestic and the other one is going to be international. But you also can feel free to start adding some more shipping zones and customize them fully to your liking. But let's just go and deal with the ones that we have already and move them out of the way. So for example, for me in the domestic one, United Arab Emirates, we have the standard one, which is set up to be for free for me. Now this might not be the same case for you. So you can feel free to just click on the three dots right next to it and click on edit rate and adjust that to your liking, or add another rate to it. But for this one, I'm just going to leave it as it is, because we're not going to be using shipping in the domestic zone for us. So for the international, we have the standard one, which is 73 AED for the international shipping. And it's going to be one set price. It's not really going to be changing for any of the countries within the international tab. So what we can do is first add another rate. And in this rate, we can just use the flat rate. The other option is basically have the couriers calculate the rates for you, but we can just stick to the flat rate. And for example, we can make it so that the international shipping goes to free shipping in the case that the order price is larger than, let's say, 100 AED. In that case, then sure, you are just going to have free shipping. So in order to set that up, we can just go and first give it a name. I just gave it the name Free Shipping International. And then for the price point, I'm just going to leave it as 0. Now next, we just want to click on Add Conditional Pricing. And then from here, we can set it up to be one of two things, either based on item weight or based on the order price. So I'm going to go for the order price one and set the minimum to be 150. What does that mean? That means if someone made an order which is 150 or above, then in that case, they will be getting free shipping. And this is going to work for all the international countries. So click on done, and that's pretty much it. So now next, let's say we want to add a new shipping zone, for example, the United States, United Kingdom, and so on, that you have already made calculations for, and do you know how much the shipping costs, and do you know the rate that you actually want to go for. In that case, we simply just want to click on this right here, which is Add Shipping Zone. And then if everything is kind of grayed out, you want to click on Add More Countries/Regions and Markets. From this page, it's just going to take us to the Markets page, and you want to basically create a market from the top right. Go ahead and give it a name. For example, this one is going to be United States. And then we want to go for Includes and click on Add. And you want to basically select the country. Go ahead and click on Save from the top and do the same thing for the other ones as well. So for example, if you want to add United Kingdom, you can just go ahead and do that as well. It's pretty much the same steps. After saving this, we can just feel free to go back to the shipping page which we were on before. So I'm just going to save the previous settings and click on refresh, or refresh the page, sorry. So once we're done with the markets, we simply have two more steps to do. First, we want to go to the international, click on Edit Zone, and we want to remove these countries that we added from the international, because we want to have specific zones for them. So we want to just go and search up United States and Kingdom and just remove them like so. Just make sure they're not ticked is what I'm trying to say here. Like so, and click on Done. And then just click on Save. And now finally, we can just click on Add Shipping Zone, and we can just create the United Kingdom zone and click on Done. And then from here, we can just scroll down, find it, and add rates for it. So we're just going to use flat rate, custom rate name. We can just do UK shipping, and then you can just add the price. And notice that it is going to be in pounds. So just go and make sure that it is the proper price, but in pounds. And if you can feel free to change this to your own currency, but I'm just going to leave it as it is and do, for example, 5 and click on done. And you can even set up a free shipping one again with a condition. So we can just do the price is going to be 0, but the condition is based on order price, which is minimum orders of let's say 50 pounds, and click on done. So again, you're going to do the same steps for the US or any other shipping zone. First, add them in the market, and then just come back here, remove them from international, click on add shipping zone, add them, done, and then you just scroll down and add the rates that you like. Okay, I just set up the proper shipping for US, and we can just click on save, and we're pretty much good to go. So this is pretty much how to set up your shipping on Shopify. So hopefully you found this video to be clear and informative. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.